Well, this video will give you like a day in the life, time on a shift of a Just Eat driver, stroke Uber Eats driver. It's not a great start to the day so far. I come out at about 4:20. I had a Just Eat shift starting at 5:45, so I thought I'd do a little bit on Uber beforehand. Must have been an hour went by. Well, you probably heard that beeping interrupting the last bit of the video. That was the system giving me another job. That's the second Uber job, and it's from McDonald's in Margate. See, we're just parked outside there now. I'm going to walk in and I'm going to get the order that I've got to get, and I will be back in a minute. Well, I'm back in the car. Just collected a reasonable sized McDonald's order, and it looks like we're off to Craven Close in Garlinge, so it should be a decent one. I'll catch you in a bit. Well, that's that one done at Craven Court. I kind of like this area. I started off life around here. Lived in the road next door, Kingston Avenue, when I was a kid, up until I was about 5 years old, so it's always nice to come back. I think I'm going to head back to Margate way now and see if I can pick up any more work. Catch you later. Well, I've literally just done my first Just Eat order. I had a couple come through while I was doing other orders for, you know, Uber. So that's 4 I've done now, fairly quickly, across both providers. I don't know, I mean, it's 7 o'clock now. I've been out since 4, so that's not really that fantastic. I think one thing that's taught me this evening is don't go out until it's dinner time. You know, 4 o'clock's a waste of time. It's got to be 5 or just after, I think. I may even try the lunchtime shift as well, see what happens. Yeah. Anyway, I'm back in Margate now. My usual haunt is just up from Cecil Square. See, that's the point of view from where I am. You've got Hawley Square there, and the council office is just down the road. And on the other side of all these buildings, you've got McDonald's and KFC down the road. So I'm literally sitting right on top of a couple of the restaurants. So if there's any work, hopefully it will come through to my phone. Anyway, I'm going to stop waffling again and maybe catch up with you. Well, had a little rally of Just Eat orders. Done 6 of them now, so with the Uber that's 9 in total. It's 9:15 at night, and you can tell it is dark outside. Puts me up to nearly 52 quid for, where are we, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4 3/4 hours, so just over a tenner an hour at the moment. Not too bad. I'm sat at Dane Park again. It's not a place I intend to stick around very long, I can tell you. I'll probably go home in a little while, so I'm getting a bit hungry and got stuff to do. Yeah, it's all good. Caught up a little bit. Anyway, bye. Well, that's me done. I've just signed off both apps, Uber and Just Eat. Done 65 quid in about 5 hours. That's kind of what you do on a taxi job, really, give or take in this area, so not bad. So there you go. I'll catch up with you some other time. Thanks for watching, and as always, please hit that subscribe button. Alright, see you later, bye bye.